Hi guys, this is Greg Green, and what I'd like to do is take you through Google Docs and creating a PowerPoint, and also inserting a video. So let's do that right now. One of the things you need to do is you need to open up your Gmail account or your Google account, and so you do that by simply logging in. And once you log in, what you want to do is you want to go to Google Documents, which is located usually in this toolbar above, or under More, or even more if you get to that point. So, but you can find it certainly under that. Once you open up your documents, you want to select the Create button. And under the Create button, you'll see that you can create a Word document, which is similar to what you probably most of you use as Microsoft Word, a PowerPoint, which we're going to go over in a few seconds here, and a spreadsheet, which is like an Excel doc, and also a form, which is similar to a quiz or survey that you want to give students. So there's a number of things you can do. What's nice about Google Docs is it's in the cloud environment. So wherever you're at, if you need to get to it through your cell phone or at home or at school, you're able to do so quite easily. So let's go through the presentation. So we're going to go to a PowerPoint. Now the first thing that you do is you select presentation, and what you want to do is you want to select a theme. So let's take a look at the themes. Fairly nice. Google has added some basic themes, for their PowerPoint. Let's select that one. And now what you're going to do is you're going to simply just select one of the boxes, and we're going to title it. So this is Google PowerPoint. Now what I can do is I can also, within this PowerPoint, is I can go over here and I can align it. Now if I want to maybe go below, but I don't like where that box sits, you see where I have a cross. So when I just drag my cursor over this blue line, a cross comes up, and I can simply just move this box around. Now, so pretty nice. If I want to add additional slides, what I do is I just simply go over to this plus sign, and I just add a slide. Now, one of the things that, and then you can also go in and type within this slide and add your information. Now, one of the things you can do also that I really like about Google's PowerPoint is you can add video. Video is kind of difficult to add unless you're really rather tech savvy to a PowerPoint, but you can do so through Google and Documents and within their PowerPoint presenter. So let's go through here. We're going to just look at some of the buttons. You can see that's File. You can do all kinds of stuff, with it. And I'm just going to kind of go through all this. But one of the things you can add are links, images, video. And let's just go to video. I'm going to show you how easy this is. So one of the things you need to know is you need to know the name of your video. So I suggest what you do is you find the video that you like, maybe on YouTube, and it really works well with YouTube. Now, if you want to select a video outside of YouTube, you would go to their URL. And the URL is, remember, is the address up above here. You just copy and paste it and put it right there. So if you want to do a YouTube search, what you want to do is know the name of your video. And I know my video should come up. There it is. Now what I do is there's all kinds of choices that came up with that. However, I want to select the video. And look at that. I just clicked on it, and now it's added to my PowerPoint. Now, if I want to get rid of my boxes, I just simply highlight those, select, click inside, and you see these white squares I highlight. That's the box I'm working at, and I just hit delete. Simple as that. Do it again. Look at that. Now I just had the video available. Now if I want to expand it, I just simply hold down, I just highlight that area, go to the edges, hold down my cursor, and just drag it across there. Now I have a great looking video in the middle of my PowerPoint. Now when I go to play my video, start presentation, you can see when I start my presentation, I'll have the video available for my kids to watch. It's just that easy. And just to go back, you just hit the escape button. Now, when you go to share the presentation, what you want to do is you can notice that it's only private to me. So what you want to do is you want to simply share it. Now, my suggestion is when we create a video, we're going to create a PowerPoint, we're going to create this PowerPoint and then send it to yourself. Well, how do you do that? You may have another email address or you may want a colleague to look at it. You need to change the setting. So basically what you want to do is add public on the web. It's the easiest way for you to do it, and you simply save. Now this link here, what you're going to do now is you can share it if you have a Twitter account or Facebook or Google Plus or if you have a Gmail account, you can do that there. But what you can simply do is just simply copy and paste it. So we're going to select the edit button, just go down to copy. All right, and then what you're going to do, now you've highlighted and copied that address. Now simply what you're going to do is copy and paste it into an email. Once you email it to someone or what have you, or you can just enter the names. You can enter the names, such as Flipped High School is another email account that I have, and I can just simply share it. It's as easy as that. Look at that. So, and also when you share it, you can select if they can just view it, or they can edit it, or comment on it, and what have you. So, those are all things that Google presentation allows you to do. So, why don't you right now create a simple slideshow that we just talked about, and then email it to yourself or others so you get used to sharing one of the PowerPoints. Thank you.